Ran, if I want to find a transaction or a report or something like that, is there an easy way to search for those?
There are a couple of ways that we can search inside QuickBooks for something. In the Edit menu, you can use the Find function, or Control F. The Find function is specifically for your QuickBooks. So if you're looking for a specific transaction, let's say a transaction type. So you might even notice that there are two tabs. There's a Simple Find, and then there's an Advanced Find. The Simple Find allows you to choose the different transaction types. Let's say you're looking for an invoice for a particular customer. And let's say you want to choose it between dates, or maybe you just know the invoice number but have no idea who it belonged to. So you can put in Adam's Candy Shop and click Find, and it will show you all of the invoices for Adam. But if I take out Adam and instead say Find me invoice 141, and then I can see the invoice here. Of course, it's double clickable. I can double click on it and it will take me directly to the invoice. Or I can click the Go To button. The Advanced Find tab allows me to really dig in to certain information. Let's say I want to see every transaction that was equal to $500 exactly. I enter in the equal sign, put in the $500, click the Find, and it shows me every transaction that is $500. And I can scroll through to find the one that I'm looking for. I can filter out certain items. Even the custom defined fields are searchable. Memo lines are searchable. I can search by name. I can search by item. I can search by job type, by job status. I can search for anything. Now, there's even more. Also back in the Edit menu, you will find the Search feature. The Search feature is very similar to the Find feature. However, it not only searches inside your QuickBooks, but it also searches the Help function. And you can see that sometimes on the toolbar, you can see the search box. So this search box is equal to this search function. So let's say I put in the word journal. So these are instructions on how to send journal entries. This next one is a list of journal entries entered today. And I can look through all of these to see if this is what I'm looking for. I find that the Find feature is more accurate for me when I want to look for specific transactions. And I use the Search when I need help in how to do something.
Okay.